Hey kids, learn animals and birds from A to Z alphabets. A for ant. Ant is a tiny insect that works hard and lives in a big family. B for bear. Bear is a large, furry animal that loves honey and fish. C for cow. Cow is a gentle farm animal that gives us milk. D for duck. Duck is a bird that swims and quacks in ponds. E for elephant. Elephant is the biggest land animal with a long trunk. F for flamingo. Flamingo is a tall pink bird that stands on one leg. G for giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal with a very long neck. H for hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is a huge river animal that loves water and mud. I for iguana. Iguana is a green lizard that likes to sunbathe. J for jaguar. Jaguar is a strong wild cat with beautiful spotted fur. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo is an animal from Australia that hops and carries babies in a pouch. L for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle with a loud roar. M for monkey. Monkey is a playful animal that swings from tree to tree. N for nightingale. Nightingale is a small bird with a sweet singing voice. O for ostrich. Ostrich is the biggest bird that can't fly but runs very fast. P for pig. Pig is a farm animal that loves to roll in the mud. Q for quail. Quail is a small, round bird that runs quickly on the ground. R for rhinoceros. Rhinoceros is a heavy animal with thick skin and a big horn. S for sheep. Sheep is a fluffy farm animal that gives us wool. T for tiger. Tiger is a powerful big cat with orange and black stripes. U for Ulalau. Oolong owl is a large gray owl with big, round eyes. V for vulture. Vulture is a bird that cleans nature by eating dead animals. W for wolf. Wolf is a wild dog that lives and hunts in a pack. X for zebra squirrel. Zebra squirrel is a ground squirrel found in Africa with a bushy tail. Y for yak. Yak is a shaggy-haired animal that lives in cold mountains. Z for zebra. Zebra is a striped animal that looks like a horse. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Little Bit channel.